Alright, so we're going to bend a little piece of sheet metal. On the program tab, we got our program loaded in here. We got a little 4-bend sequence set up. This is where you're going to choose your material and your thickness. This is where you're going to pick your punch and your die. We already got the correct tooling in the machine. We got the program ready to go. We're going to go to the run tab. Basically hit the run button. Now the backstop's going to go to a position for the first bend.